Here's a clematis growing with roses. That's a rose right there. And you can see the buds. They haven't opened. The blooms haven't opened yet. And here's a whole bunch of buds just about ready to open. Here's a bunch of them blooming. You can see the light lilac ones on one side of the arbor and the dark purple on the other side. And none of the roses are blooming yet though, but and you can see the rhododendron there off in the distance side the air conditioner. Here's clematis and roses blooming together. This is the rose, I think is Blaze, climbing rose. Clematis has been popular since 1862, and there has been many hybrids since then. It's hardy in zones 4 to 11, and these vines will grow 8 to 12 foot long.